Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. So recently, I've been sucked into Japanese vlogs on YouTube, and one place that really stuck out to me was the Sanrio Museum. Sanrio is the creator of characters like Hello Kitty, and one of the characters they've made is Gudetama, which is a lazy egg. They themselves sell a lot of plushies, but I thought I'd try making one myself. Here is a material breakdown of everything you'll need in order to make this. I'll leave this here for a few seconds just in case you need to pause. The pattern is for free on my DeviantArt WitchcraftyYT and is linked down below in the description. Make sure you follow the key before cutting out the shapes. The first thing you need to do is to place the body backs with the tracing facing up and sew around the large arc. Use pins if necessary. After that, sew up the dart on the face piece. Join the face piece and the body back together to form a dome. Then, sew on the bottom of the body. Just before you reach the end, leave enough space so you can flip it the right side up and stuff the plush. Conceal the open end with an invisible stitch. Join the white mouthpiece to the centre of the mouth outline. Pin the eyes and mouth in place using a backstitch to join them. Make sure to look at a reference picture before joining these on. Take 2 of the 8 arm and leg pieces and sew around the curve, leaving the bottom open. Repeat this for the remaining 3. Once you're done, stuff them with a little bit of polyfil to give them shape. This also helps hold the raw edges in place. Then use an invisible stitch to join these to the sides. Alternatively, you can tuck these in when sewing on the body bottom to sew it all in one, but I prefer how 3D this method makes the limbs look. Lastly, take the 2 white egg pieces and sew them together with the tracing on the outside. Once you've nearly reached the end, flip it the right way up, stuff it lightly and close off the open part with an invisible stitch. And that is my version of the Gudetama plush. You can join the egg to the Gudetama, but I wanted it to act as a little cushion instead. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below on ideas you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, make sure to check out my other videos. I post new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!